Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're working on a Frigidaire refrigerator where the fresh food section is warm and the freezer is working okay. First thing you want to do is open the freezer door, then the fresh food. Place your hand by the damper and see if you feel any airflow. If so, great. Then shut the freezer door, then see if you have any airflow. If you don't, that indicates you have a restriction. As you can see here on the left, we have the vent that removes the heat from the fresh food section to the freezer side is clogged. So how it works, it cycles through a pattern out the damper to the fresh food, but if it's clogged, it cannot remove the heat from the fresh food to the freezer. So that's why it only works when you open the freezer door, but yet when you shut the freezer door, it will not work no longer because you do not have the air that comes in from the freezer. So let's take care of the problem. So this is how it works again. It removes the heat, goes through the vent that goes to the evaporator, then the fan blows the air up, then it processes through the damper, and that's the process. So remove all the shelves. Obviously this is a Frigidaire, but the same systems are the same as like a Kim or a Whirlpool. So remove the two shelves, one on the left and one on the right. There's quarter bits, and this is only for Frigidaire. Now to remove these racks, you just press towards the left and then up and out. Then we'll remove the 6 quarter bit screws that holds the evaporator cover panel. Just be careful when you remove, sometimes they can cut you. Okay, as you can see here, and what takes place is the drain line is clogged. So when the drain line or basically when the evaporator goes into defrost, the water has to go through the drain line, the drip hole as you would say, and then that way it keeps the lower half cool also. But if it's clogged, it'll back up and clog the wall, and that's what prevents the airflow from moving from side to side. So as you can see here, I did clean it with a steamer. If you do not have a steamer, I recommend just letting it defrost because it has to be thoroughly defrost. That way everything all the airflow can be, I guess you would say, proper. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. Thank you.